Hey everyone, Scott Lesenby here, coming to you from the Royal Hawaiian. Wait, let me fix this for you. There we go. Yes, I paid extra for that view, and it's a good thing I have that view because, well, the rest of the room I'm not totally happy with. Don't get me wrong, it's a great hotel because of that. That view is amazing, and I will show you that in a moment. But I've decided to leave the blinds open for this review, even though it's kind of dark in here, because that view is what makes the rest of this room tolerable. It's a little bit dark on this side, but the view behind me is what makes up for it, like I said. So I don't mind so much because I'm gonna have the window open 24/7. I'm gonna have this door open like this. Might as well just show you all this, the best part first. So yeah, this is the balcony out here. Oh, get a bug in there. I don't want a bug in my room. But yeah, it's a private balcony with, yeah, it's totally private. You can't even see the neighbors here. And the view is just epic. Yep, that's Waikiki. And yeah, it's a good day today. A little bit warm, humid. It is June though, so typical for this time of year. And this balcony here, I'm going to be sitting there for most of my time. I'm probably going to have dinner right there. But anyway, let me just show you the rest of the room here. So yeah, back in the room, at least it's air conditioned. And, you know, it's a little bit run down, which I find to be typical of a lot of hotels in Waikiki. As I said, I've stayed here many times before, and there aren't very many brand new properties. There are some, but most of them are kind of like this. They're a little bit outdated. They've been here a long time. They're not dirty. Everything's very clean, but I mean, if you come down here, you can see there's crumbs and there's, you know, crusty layered paint, and I can't complain. I can't complain because this is awesome. That view is great. So yeah, basic furniture, kind of old, very, this is an island flavor, I guess. That's the island style. And another thing to note about this hotel as well is that there's actually two towers. I believe that is the vintage historic tower. There's a name for it. I'll put it here on the screen. And you can choose between either a room or a modern room like this, or there are vintage rooms, which they've been updated, but they're still in the style of, I don't know what the style is, Art Deco or whatever, like just totally vintage. Big screen TV, which is nice. There are power ports over there, USB and electrical. And then down here, same thing, just power. There are no USB ports over here. So let's see what else we got here. There is a refrigerator in this room. Nothing fancy. I will be making use of that. There are so many great restaurants here within walking distance in Waikiki. Complimentary bottled water, hot water maker, and the bathroom. Let me just get this bag out of my way. I don't need to show you my stuff. But yeah, the bathroom is, you know, it's all right. It's kind of small. It's all right. It'll do. And the tub and shower. And the best part of this bathroom by far is that. Because it's one of those, you hear that? It's making noise. It's doing stuff. I wonder if I can wave the, oh, it's not that fancy. Anyway, it's got the washing stuff and all the, yeah, it's, I want one for myself. And you can see all the plumbing there. So yeah, it's gonna be a good time, I think. And then the robe, very thick, very nice, very comfortable, though it looks kind of, I mean, I guess this is like a vintage vibe. It kind of looks like a hospital gown / robe, but I don't know. It's definitely the most colorful hotel robe I've ever experienced. And then there's the closet here in the bathroom. So yeah, overall impressions, not bad. I mean, this is an 8th floor room. I'm up very high. I've got an excellent view, so I can't really complain about that. And yeah, I guess I'm digging this. You know, you're in Hawaii, you got a view, and can't go wrong. Anyway, if you want to find out how I'm able to travel so much and how I'm able to stay in rooms like this all the time, there's a link in the description below to my newsletter explaining all of that stuff. Actually, in my newsletter, I'll explain how I do it and give you regular updates. from the road. Oh, one final thing. The key that they give you is actually a wristband, and it's pink. And the only thing I don't like about this is that if you wear this, you're instantly targeted as a Royal Hawaiian guest, tourist. People will know where you're staying, and I mean, maybe that's a good thing, bad thing, I don't know, but I'm not going to be wearing this. I don't want to be a target like that, so I'll just keep it in my pocket. So if you have any questions or comments, do leave them down in the comment section below. I will get to them as soon as I can. And yeah, I can't wait to sit right there tonight. It's going to be great. Looking forward to that. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.